Looking to step up your inbound marketing game? In this video, we're diving into how to use Apollo.io for inbound marketing. Whether you're a digital marketing newbie or looking for new tools to optimize your strategy, this guide will walk you through everything you need to get started with Apollo.io. Apollo.io is a powerful platform designed for lead generation, sales intelligence, and inbound marketing automation. It's packed with features that can help you find new prospects, nurture relationships, and turn leads into loyal customers. And the best part? You can get started for free, with an exclusive offer through the first link in the description below. Trust me, you won't want to miss the bonus details later in the video. One of the first things you'll notice when you log into Apollo.io is the lead search functionality. Apollo.io allows you to access a vast database of business contacts, which is perfect for targeting specific industries, job titles, or even company sizes that align with your marketing strategy. You can filter leads based on key characteristics such as revenue, location, and even technologies used, giving you highly targeted leads that are primed for inbound marketing outreach. Once you've built your lead list, it's time to start nurturing them with Apollo.io's email automation tools. Apollo.io lets you set up multi-step email sequences, which can be a game changer for inbound marketing. You can personalize emails, track engagement, and automatically follow up based on how prospects interact with your emails. This means you can stay top of mind and increase conversion rates without manual intervention. But that's not all. Apollo.io also has powerful CRM features. By integrating Apollo into your CRM system, you'll get a full view of each lead's journey, from first contact to final sale. This will help you identify which leads are most likely to convert and ensure you're sending the right content to the right person at the right time. The CRM syncs with your existing tools, which makes managing your inbound marketing efforts even easier. Another huge benefit of using Apollo.io for inbound marketing is its analytics. With real-time insights, you can track the performance of your email campaigns, your lead generation efforts, and your overall inbound strategy. You can see open rates, click-through rates, response rates, and much more, giving you the data you need to optimize your approach and fine-tune your strategy. Apollo.io also helps you stay organized. By categorizing your leads and automating outreach, you can focus on high-value activities while Apollo handles the rest. And with Apollo's integration capabilities, you can link it up with your existing tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, and others, making it a seamless addition to your workflow. Now, before I wrap this up, here's something to keep in mind. You're not just getting Apollo.io. When you use the link below, you'll also get an exclusive and extended free trial. That means you can explore Apollo.io's features in full without paying a dime. If you're serious about inbound marketing, you need a tool that can scale with your business, and Apollo.io is exactly that. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Apollo.io for inbound marketing. Remember, the platform is packed with tools that can help you automate and optimize your marketing efforts, from lead generation to email outreach to performance analytics. And don't forget to check out that exclusive free trial with the link below. Get started today and watch how Apollo.io can transform your inbound marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.